I didn't want you to clip somebody coming around a blind turn.
Oh, I just look for the dust.
All right.
You want to drive? Neutral before you get started.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Or what is
down, then the rest are up.
Fucking damn, dude. Fuck. Oh shit. Get out. Fuck.
That's alright. The only problem is that's fuel. What's wrong? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Did you hit your head?
No.
Don't feel bad.
Be careful, man. All this is hot.
Yeah, I'm not worried.
What can I do?
That's good, that's good.
Go get my truck.
Oh fuck, it's all the way over there. Hey, before you do that, let's try to get the back end over.
Alright.
I'll be honest, that's fucking...
Dude, I'm fucking sorry, man.
I don't give a shit.
No, that's fine.
I was like, oh shit.
Shit,
dude, look how bald the tires are though. It's not your fault.
Did you get it on did you get it on camera?
Yeah. Am I gonna be a dick and post it without your permission?
God damn, dude.
No.
Alright,
This thing is stupid fast though.
How are we gonna be able to lift this thing though?
We're just gonna try to get the ass end over there because that's heavy. It's actually being held up by...
Can I just pull it out with my truck?
Yeah, but your truck's all the way over there.
I mean, not a big deal.
Is it quick?
Yeah.
You want to at least try pushing it over first?
Yeah.
Because then I'll give you a ride to your truck. I don't think anything's broken.
No. Was this already loose?
Yeah, I didn't have any bolts in my gas tank.
Okay. Dude. Fuck.
We're very lucky we didn't.
Yes. It's too heavy, dude. I'll just go get my shirt.
Well, if you're going, I'm going with you.